What is the most boring thing in the world that kids hate learning about? The answer is the Constitution and the Bill of Rights. I mean, what do kids love more than anything else? And the answer is birthday presents. And that's why in this assembly show, I have turned all 10 amendments on the Bill of Rights into birthday presents that the kids actually get to take a look inside and see during Uncle Sam's Comedy Jam show. Schools right now are celebrating the Constitution. We like to make kids excited about the Constitution and pretty much tell them where the Bill of Rights came from, why we have it, what it means to have it, and why they're so incredibly important. I'll give you an example of how we turn these presents into, the Bill of Rights into presents. Like, let's take a look in this bag right here. We tell the kids the Second Amendment means the right to bear arms, and of course the present the kids get. You can guess it. Of course it's a bear arm. It's an arm. We don't go into the politics behind all of it and the controversy surrounding it today. We simply point out what the freedoms are, why we have them, and why they are important. So if you are looking to schedule an educational show about American history, I invite you to give us a call. We're doing this throughout the entire year. We'll do it again pretty heavily in November, right around election times. And of course, it's real popular also for President's Day, Memorial Day celebrations, and anything you may be doing in your school to celebrate America and American history. So take a look below. You will find the link to the webpage where you can learn more about this show. And I hope to see you. I hope to see you, and I hope to hear from you this year. Thanks a lot.